Hi everyone, first of all, Happy New Year to you all. I hope your New Year Eve went great. And today I am making lasagna, so let us get started. First of all, chop down mushrooms in slices and then add 1 tablespoon of butter and season it with black pepper, salt, and cook it well. When the mushroom is done, set it aside. Then in a pan add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of butter and fry it well. Then add 2 bunches of spinach. Now add half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of red chili and cook it and keep aside. Now take half kg of chicken and chop it. Then one big onion and in a pot add 4 tablespoons of oil, one big onion and the chicken and fry it. When the chicken turns into a white color, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of red chili. Now add half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of white pepper. Then add 5 tablespoons or 1 small packet of tomato paste and mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 4 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce and cook it well. So now to make the white sauce, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 4 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of flour and fry it. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of oregano, 2 chicken cubes, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of white pepper. Add 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, 8 cubes of cream cheese and 100 grams of cheddar cheese. Half cup of cooking cream. Now mix well and your white sauce is ready. In a wide pan, boil water, oil and salt. Then add the lasagna cheese and boil it. Then take it out and put in a cold water. Now grease your oven-proof pan with butter and assemble your thin chicken fillings, white sauce, mushrooms, spinach, cheese and etc. Then in the bottom of the pan add the lasagna strips and then some chicken, some white sauce. It's all up to you how you would like to design your lasagna. But make sure when you cover one layer add lasagna strip again, so repeat the process. Mm, chicken fillings, white sauce, mushrooms, and on the top you can add the lasagna strips and cover the strips with white sauce and then put it into 200 degrees Celsius oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So now your lasagna is done. So I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment down below if any other video you would like me to make. So thank you for watching.